students, or hacks as they call them. The MIT students like to bowl in the building. During the holidays, they've dressed up in holiday lights and also put a menorah on top of there. And one of the most famous pranks they pulled is they took an MIT campus security car and put it on top of the building. And put a dummy in the front seat and a box of donuts and a coffee. It took them one night to reassemble the car on top of the dome, and it took the staff 3 days to take it down. So the students are good at their pranks. They take a lot of pride in them.
Água suja, né, Cris?
Ei, quem vai querer ver esse vídeo agora?